Hello, and welcome to the Digital Transformation course. In this lesson, you will understand the basics of digital transformation with examples and learn the importance of adopting it in your business. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the meaning of being digital, describe digital transformation and why it is needed, discuss how digital transformation impacts key industries, explain how being digital is different from just adopting technology. Describe who is affected by digital transformation. List the key technologies that are disrupting the digital landscape. The digital impact on our lives is all-encompassing, whether it's sending a message to somebody, ordering food, or booking a cab. Everything has gone digital. The change is invisible but true, and is transforming people's lives. So, what does being digital mean? Being digital is more than just having a mobile app, equipping the sales force with iPads, striving for likes on Facebook, or moving the organization's data to the cloud. It is about creating harmony in different interrelated components at play. Executives need a framework to see how the components work together, so that they can plot their own path to being digital. Digital refers to increasing the connectedness between people, processes, and products, while generating insights from the information produced to create value. Digital transformation is sometimes referred to as business transformation. The value generation process through connectedness is different component calls for re-examining the entire way of doing business and exploring new frontiers of value. This may involve developing entirely new businesses in adjacent categories. The business transformation through adoption of digital technology has changed the entire landscape of client engagement, commerce, marketing, and more across industries. Let's have a look at the impact of this transformation through an example. Uber developed an application that is simple yet revolutionary. The idea that a customer can book a car anywhere and at any time in one click has transformed the idea of customized transport service at a large scale. The Uber phenomenon has set an example for changing the concept of service. The success of this application, which results from the digital revolution, is only the beginning of an inescapable transformation of the economy, with tendencies of impacting professionals from all sectors. Another such example is from the insurance industry. Lemonade is an artificial intelligence-powered automated mobile insurance platform that can underwrite policies and process claims within minutes. Lemonade has been in the news for settling an insurance claim within 3 seconds using its claim bot, Jim. It reviews the claim, cross-references details with the original policy, and runs fraud detection algorithms. Once everything looks okay, it sends wire instructions to the bank to pay the claim. Digital transformation is evolving at a fast pace. Companies and individuals are adapting to the change to transform their processes and create good customer experiences. Let's now understand what digital transformation is. Digital transformation refers to an overall transformation of organizational activities aimed at leveraging opportunities created by digital technologies and data. This requires the company to profoundly transform its business model, infrastructure, processes, and culture, all geared toward constantly finding new sources of customer value. Organizations need to evolve digitally to address the changing business landscape. The reasons for increasing importance of digital transformation are acceleration of change. The pace of digital change is rising exponentially, making it very difficult to maintain a position of industry leadership and requiring an acceleration of new digital solutions brought to market. Digital competition. The increasing pressure of digital competition has forced the long-established businesses to re-examine their models on the lines of new, born digital startups. Customer expectations. Customers expect a good experience across all touchpoints. It is important to ensure that their interactions are seamless and exceptional. Digital adoption. Digital adoption, like big data, automation, and IoT, has made it necessary for companies to transform completely. But does digital just involve adopting technology? Let's understand this. Digital is not confined to adoption of technology. Digital requires companies to have a bona fide corporate transformation, with an emphasis on strategic innovation for the long term and shared ownership where technology supports the process. Let's list the differences. Being digital versus adopting technology. Being digital focuses on buying technology that fits business needs the best, calls for overall cultural change before adoption, demands holistic view of business problem from leaders, focuses on strategic innovation from long-term perspective, calls for change in core elements and policies of business. Adopting technology focuses on buying the best and latest technology with no considerations to business needs, does not require cultural changes, does not need reference to business problem, has a narrow perspective to meeting immediate business needs, plays a supporting role in digital transformation. By now, you must have understood the importance of digital transformation and how the change is the need of the hour. Where did the concept of digital transformation start? The overall history of computing has altered over the past 70 years. Computing, which was defined by the vacuum tube initially, has advanced from transistor to semiconductor to mainframe computing to mini-computing to personal computing to the internet, and now to IoT in 2020. The reach has risen from 1 million to 50 billion. To use the available information better, companies have started to connect all processes and devices into networks. They have started experimenting with new digital ways of doing business, leveraging better data, and transforming to create greater agility. Now let's analyze who are affected by the change. The evolution over the years has made it crucial to change the approach of how we meet customer needs and expectations. This calls for change at both individual level as well as the enterprise level. At the individual level, leadership approach of both executives and CXOs needs to be altered to make way for a more dynamic, risk-taking, and lateral organization. At the industries or enterprise level, the hierarchical approach in business to rewarding innovation irrespective of the hierarchy must change. Let's learn about this in detail. Executives. This transformation means change in the outlook of the people governing the organization processes. It calls for change among executives, who play a major role in strategy development and its execution. It requires the executives to have vision and to rethink their entire business execution process, changing everything right from manufacturing of a product to how it is marketed and serviced. Digital transformation also requires executives to shift their attention from improving existing products to adapting to new changes. The process involves integrating new business processes, practices, and information systems aligned with the goal of maintaining a good customer relationship. CXOs. Digital transformation calls for change not only among executives, but also among CXOs, who are the representatives of an organization. It requires CXOs to 1. Embrace the innovation of the digital economy to define new ways of working, improve customer service, and invent technological platforms. 2. Propose strategies and lead the way for the big change. 3. Introduce branding initiatives to find new and latent needs that provide opportunities to reframe and shape things for the future. 4. Establish a broad vision, propose strategies, and free organization from the current legacy and habit, driving it toward a digital mindset. Now that you have learned the changes that should be made at an individual level, let's look at the impact of digital transformation at the enterprise level. Becoming a digital enterprise requires far more profound changes than merely investing in the latest technologies. It calls for a change in 1. Digital business models. Companies need to fundamentally change the way they identify, develop, and launch new businesses. 2. Digital operating models. Companies need to follow a lean approach to both core and support functions. 3. Digital talent and skills. Companies need to attract, retain, and develop the right talent. 4. Digital traction metrics. Companies need to adopt newer digital traction metrics, as traditional KPIs are no longer effective in a digital business. Major industries are impacted by digital transformation. Some of them include insurance, banking and finance, healthcare, manufacturing, travel, transport and logistics, utilities, retail. Let's discuss the implications for each sector in detail. Insurance. Digital in insurance sector has changed the way people avail insurance policies. For example, Metromile, a San Francisco-based car insurance company, offers pay-per-mile insurance and a driving app. Metromile installs a device on the vehicle. The device continuously monitors miles, sudden speed changes, jerks, collisions, etc. It works on artificial intelligence-based algorithms to improve the underwriting as it collects more data about usage. Banking and finance. Digital adoption in banking sector has helped in upgrading from traditional banking to an omni-channel approach. Banks and financial operators are aggressively modernizing technology infrastructure to enable current and future growth across all business sectors. For example, Bank of America revolutionized the banking sector through an integration of IoT in its business. It partnered with popular wearables like Apple Watch and Fitbit, where a portfolio of microtags and mini-tags are attached to the devices. This makes the payment cash-free. Customers need to just scan their smart devices to the machine installed at the shops. This makes the life of customers much easier. Healthcare. The digital acceptance in healthcare sector has revolutionized the entire patient experience, right from booking appointment to follow-up process, in a new and exciting way. For example, Practo empowers people to search doctors around them at their own convenient time, validate, and book appointments. It keeps all records within the app, provides 24/7 healthcare services, provides online consultation, ensures medicine availability, and tracks payments. Manufacturing. Digital transformation revolutionizes the way manufacturers share and manage products. For example, Airbus, a manufacturer of aeronautical products, is involved in the assembly of commercial jetliners. Such crafts have millions of components and tens of thousands of assembly steps, and the cost of mistakes during the process can be enormous. To tackle the complexity, Airbus launched a digital manufacturing initiative known as Factory of the Future, based on IoT, to streamline operations and bolster production capacity. Travel. Consumers are relying on digital channels and platforms for all their travel needs, from researching to booking. This has totally transformed their travel experience. For example, Trivago specializes in internet-related services and products in hotel and lodging. It offers travelers with a consolidated view of hotel booking options available across hundreds of travel sites. Trivago scours more than 200 booking sites to offer the best rates on more than 1.3 million properties. It also acts as an advertising platform where independent property owners can advertise alongside major online travel agencies and hotel giants using cost-per-click advertising that drives customized traffic to the websites. Transport and logistics. Digital integration has helped in improving efficiency, speed, and timing, which form the core of transport and logistics industry. For example, FedEx introduced IoT in its supply chain model. It was faced with the problem of maintaining the quality of healthcare products while in transit. It integrated SenseAware, based on IoT technology, to keep a check on temperature, location, and vital signs of the package. This helps in making real-time decisions. For example, if a perishable goods package sets off on a 2-day journey, but the sensor data shows that the shelf life has decreased, then the package can be instantly diverted to another location, which saves both time and money. Utilities. Mobility, intelligent devices, big data, and business process management systems constitute the digital ecosystem through which utilities can deliver customer experience, operational efficiencies, and changing business models. For example, RWE Power and Slock runs a blockchain energy P2P sharing project. The companies are putting together a decentralized billing system for electronic vehicle charging. It is called BlockCharge. Following the principles of roaming for telecommunications, it allows charging of electric vehicles anywhere, with a simple billing interface powered by blockchain technology. It enables the electric vehicles to interact automatically with stations and makes the electricity payment process autonomous. Retail. Digital integration has helped in creating personalized services to customers in the retail sector. For example, Amazon, an online retailer giant, is well known for its integration of technologies like IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, and cameras in its brick-and-mortar stores. This eliminates checkouts. This has been made possible through the Amazon Go app, which allows customers to make purchases on their cell phones. This app-based technology uses computer vision, sensor fusion, and deep learning to provide a checkout-free shopping experience. The union of these technologies automatically keeps a track of input and output of products from the shelves and helps maintain a virtual cart. Once the customers are done with their shopping, they can leave the store. Their Amazon account is charged and a receipt is sent. This eliminates the need for waiting in the queue. The application of digital transformation across various industries gives us insights into its relevance and importance. However, for digital transformation to be successful, it needs the support of various digital advances. Let's learn about them in detail. Executives across all industries are using digital advances to change customer relationships, internal processes, and value propositions using technologies such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, robotics and automation, cloud computing, blockchain, IoT, and digital marketing. Data analytics. Data analytics refers to the process of examining huge volumes of data that helps to fetch information aid by specialized systems and software. Data analytics has varied applications and helps analyze business data and predict future unforeseen circumstance. This reflects it in business decisions to improve performance. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the science of enabling machines to demonstrate human intelligence. It enables machines to perform cognitive tasks by simulating intelligent behavior commonly associated with humans. While the field of AI is currently evolving, AI-enabled machines are increasingly able to process knowledge, reason, solve problems, perceive, learn, and take decisions. Common uses of AI include object and speech recognition, natural language processing, deep learning, prediction, and translation. Robotics and automation. It is the use of software capabilities to handle high-volume, repeatable tasks that were performed by humans earlier. With artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, robotics and automation is now being enhanced to perform cognitive decision-making. This is revolutionizing the speed and throughput of transactions and dramatically improving accuracy, cycle time, and productivity of business processes. Cloud computing. It is regarded as distribution of computing services in the form of servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more over the Internet. The companies that offer these services are called cloud providers, wherein the client is charged for the services based on usage, similar to one being billed for water or electricity at home. Blockchain. It is a type of distributed ledger for maintaining a permanent and tamper-proof record of transactions. A blockchain functions as a decentralized database and a distributed ledger that is managed by computers belonging to a peer-to-peer network. Each of the computers in the distributed network maintains a copy of the ledger to prevent a single point. IoT. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, and people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. From building automation and smart factories to wearables, IoT touches every facet of our lives. Digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to effective usage of social media. These channels are used for interaction with customers, both proactively and responsively. A company can harness its benefits, as it not only helps in understanding customer behavior, but also enhances customer experience through targeted engagement. You will learn about all these technologies in the upcoming lessons. For now, let's summarize what you have learned. Being digital means bringing together a number of interrelated components that increase connectedness and provide valuable insights. Digital transformation refers to an overall transformation of organizational activities aimed at leveraging opportunities for changing digital technologies. To become a digital business, you require informed leaders who can create a strategy using evidence, lead teams to work, educate them to approach challenges using data-driven decision, and create constant cycles of agile and focused innovation. The key technologies disrupting the change include data analytics, artificial intelligence, robotics, cloud computing, blockchain, IoT, and digital marketing.